Britton from Britton Computer Tech Tutorials. Today what I'm going to show you how to do is type your story. This is directions 9 through 11 on our newspaper project. You're going to type it out, and it needs to be between 200 and 500 words. Then we're going to put it into columns, either 2 or 3, depending on the size of your story. And then we're going to put pictures in it. You put one picture per column. So let's show you how we do this. So the first step is type your story in. So I'll do this real quick. There we go. So I just put in some mumbo jumbo text there. And what you want to do is you want to highlight your text, but you have to highlight your text in a certain way because you don't want to have a tail when you highlight. So if you notice right here, I've got a little tail. I don't want to highlight the tail part, just the spaces. But you do need spaces underneath your columns, otherwise your columns won't be even. So make sure there is some spaces down there, but you don't highlight them. So the easiest way to highlight just your story is to triple click on it. And this will only work if you don't have any paragraph breaks. After you've done this, you're going to go to page layout. You're going to select columns, and then you want to go all the way down to more columns because we want to set up some different things with it. So I'm going to select 2 columns, and what we need to do is change our spacing to 0.2 and then press OK. And there we go. Now we've got everything set into columns. You may have to go back and change it to justify if you have a jagged edge on your story. So we want to justify it. So now that we've got our story into columns, it's time to put in our pictures. You want your pictures to match your story so that it looks more believable. So I've found a couple. I'm going to go to Insert Picture, and I'm going to put in a picture of the fish that attacked the guy. Now right when you put in the picture, you want to go to the Picture toolbar and go to Wrap Text and select Tight. When you go tight, this will allow the text to wrap around it. And we want our pictures to be half the column width. And I'm moving it with my arrow keys right now. That's the easiest way to move your pictures around. So I'll put one in there. I'm going to put another picture over here. So I'm going to go to Insert Picture again. I'll choose the injured shot. Again, I'll resize to about half the column width, and notice this time that the words don't wrap around it. Well, I forgot to go to Wrap Text, Tight. And you don't want to have words on either side of it. You want to have the pictures lined up with one of the edges of your columns. So get it to lined up just right, and there we go. That's kind of what we'll do. We've got a couple pictures in there. We'll show what to do on the next step later. Thank you.